Hello everyone, welcome to IFAS. So students, we have a very special guest today who have joined us in the IFAS interviews, Devika from Kerala. She has qualified GATE BT examination with flying colors. Let us hear her story. Let us hear how she prepared for the examination, what were her preparation strategies, and let us discuss some of the important secret tips which she actually used for the examination. Let's welcome Devika. Hello Devika.
Hello, sir.
Hello, how are you, Devika?
Fine, sir.
Wow, very nice. So, first of all, congratulations, Devika, for your achievement, for your qualification.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. So, our viewers would like to have your introduction. So, would you please introduce yourself? How did you come to know about IFAS? How did you start preparing for the GATE BT? What is your educational background? And what was your journey?
Okay.
Hmm.
So, myself, Devika Pinaya. I'm from Kottayam, Kerala. I did my bachelor's in biotechnology from MG University, and I did my master's in biotechnology from Cochin University.
Okay.
So, I came to know about IFAS during the Corona days itself while I was preparing for the GATE examinations.
Okay.
And after that, I have been following IFAS for many other exams like CSIR.
Hmm.
Then I came to know about GATE from one of my friends.
Hmm.
And I was preparing for the CSIR last year, but I couldn't clear it.
Okay.
Then I have nearly around like 1 month, that is like 40 to 45 days for
Yes,
preparing for GATE.
yes, definitely.
So I just went through the syllabus in detail, then went through the PYQs. And I found that since I prepared for the CSIR, many of the questions asked from the topics like biochemistry and molecular biology, the questions were comparatively easy.
Yes.
So I understood that I need to focus more on the bioprocess technology and the fundamentals.
Yes.
So I studied that the complete unit, not the complete unit, but I tried to cover the whole unit, and also I was thinking to prepare some portions from the mathematics unit, that is the probability and statistics.
Okay.
But due to like time constraints, I didn't got time to cover that.
Okay.
So I'll stick to the bioprocess technology and also the other topics like biochemistry, plant and animal biotechnology.
Yes, definitely. So, like you said, that you did your graduation and post-graduation both in biotechnology only, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, basically, there were many topics which were common in your university examination, in your graduation
Yes, sir.
semester-wise, and also in the GATE BT syllabus. So, did that your college education and all the university examination, everything, did that help you in the GATE examination? The topics which
Yes,
were
sir. Yes, sir. Definitely. The topics from the plant and animal biotechnology. I just prepared from the things that we were taught in the college.
college only.
That was enough for me.
Okay, that was enough now. Basically, like
Yeah.
so, like the viewers, as you can see, that if you are from the same background, like if you are doing the GATE, if you are doing the biotechnology in the graduation, if you have the biotechnology in post graduation, so your university examination, your semester wise examination, that is also going to help you in the examination. So you should also focus on the university examination in the colleges too, so that the main examination where the topics are similar, you can basically score well because you have studied them in detail. You might have done practicals on those topics also in the labs too. So that is important. And also one of the thing which Devika mentioned, that when you are preparing with the CSIR only, so there are many common topics which you can cover in the CSIR syllabus only. If you are targeting both, like, or this is important for those students who are preparing for CSIR and GATE examination, that most of the students which we have seen, that they prepare for the both examination. If you are giving for the PhD entrance, because the CSIR gives the fellowship along with the assistant professor eligibility. So basically, as you can see, that most of the topics can be covered from the CSIR syllabus. So if you are preparing for the CSIR, your GATE BT, GATE Excel, complete preparation can be done 70 to 80%. But there are several topics which you need to have, which you need to study further more, like additional topics. There are some additional, like she mentioned about computational biology, like bioprocessing, and the mathematical tool, mathematical engineering, right? The section 1 part. So these are the topics which you are new and you have to cover these topics, other than CSIR. Rest you can, if you revise all the CSIR topics, you can easily cover biochemistry, you can easily cover genetics, molecular biology, cell biology, that you can cover. But there are some additional topics which you need to cover that. So for these topics like bioprocessing, Devika, like the mathematical engineering, students should stress where, like from where they should study, or what is the approach to study these topic?
The simple approach to study this, first go through the PYQs and note down the important topics. And
so Devika, what is the approach students should actually imply in their preparation for the engineering mathematics and bioprocess engineering, these 2 units?
Okay, since that unit is a very vast unit, firstly we can go through the syllabus and also the PYQs, the PYQs that which was asked in the last 10 years, and we will get an idea. We will get a rough idea from which topics are more important. Then just list down that.
You mentioned that there are some parts which are other than CSIR syllabus. If someone is preparing for the CSIR and GATE both examination simultaneously, so there are some topics which are other than the CSIR syllabus, which are maybe mathematical engineering, the unit 1, the section 1 of GATE BT, and also the bioprocess engineering. So if someone wants to approach these 2 units, so from where they should start basically?
Okay. Firstly, if you need to prepare for the bioprocess technology, first you need to go through the PYQs of the last 10 years. Then you will get an understanding, you will get a rough idea of the main topics that are repeatedly asked. Then you can go through many YouTube lectures, and after that you can start collecting the notes. You can also refer from the standard books, and I largely depend on the YouTube lectures mainly, and also I refer some topics from the standard books. And after that, the important thing is to revision is the main important thing which is applicable for that section, because it involves many. The section has many equations. The numerical problems are mainly asked. So we need to be thorough about the equations, and also to memorize that we need to practice. Practice is the key for that.
Practice is the key. That's very good. And also the student should write all the formulas in like one chart and revise them properly from time to time, so that they can approach to NAT type questions, numerical answer type questions. Because like this year we have seen that most of the NAT type questions were asked from these 2 sections only, the bioprocess engineering and engineering mathematics. Mostly the NAT type, numerical answer type questions were asked from these 2 units only, because they can only form these questions from these unit only. They cannot form numerical answer type questions mostly from like cell biology, from other units like evolution, from mole bio. They can form one or 2, but maximum questions they can generate from these 2 units only. So basically NAT type questions, you have to, for preparing those, you need to learn those formulas, and for that practice is the most important thing, which Devika told us about, that the practice is the key of these 2 units. So you'll have to practice more and more, and also write down the formulas and learn those formulas. Okay, memorize it, so that if there is some simple question in which you have to just put the values in the formula, you can easily approach those questions and quickly solve them and get your marks, and then done with the question, and then you can go to the next question basically. So Devika, like you said, you have done your graduation and post-graduation with your biotech. So you did your preparation of GATE examination with your masters, or you have completed your masters completely?
No, I started preparing after completing my masters and after the CSIR exams. So the total preparation time for GATE for me is like 45 days.
45 days. Yeah.
That 1 month.
The 1 month. But that 1 month was the additional part only, no? Like if you are preparing for CSIR, then
for CSIR,
you are completely preparing for 70 to 80% part of the GATE examination. If you are preparing for CSIR, and also you are preparing for CSIR, that means you are preparing for the 2 to 3 times more harder exam. Like it's tougher, and it's more competitive. The question level are also more deeper, and the theory is also vast, more than GATE examination. So basically you are preparing completely for the GATE BT, just that these 2 to 3 units, and which Devika told us about how to approach those units, okay, other than CSR. So if you are preparing for CSR, go for the CSR topics, all of them, and then additional these topics, how to approach that we have been told us, right? And we will definitely, the viewers will definitely follow those things. So Devika, like you have started preparation for after that. So you'd had ample amount of time, like for preparation of the CSR, and also the CSR syllabus is really vast. So what was your, how did you manage your time for preparing the CSR and the GATE VT examination? And basically, what was your approach towards the syllabus? Like when did you how did you, like what is the portion of the syllabus you completed as a whole? And were there any units which you really skipped?
Okay.
Yeah, starting from starting from the time management, then let's go on the major, like how many.
Okay. While I am preparing for the CSIR, I completely focused on the CSIR only. I didn't study for the GATE. So with that, like 60 to 70% of the topics are covered, like immunology, biochemistry, molecular biology, etc. So within the next 1 month, that is the next month.
Start.
So while preparing for the CSIR, I completely focused on the CSIR exam only. I didn't study for GATE exam. So after the CSIR, I came to know that like 60 to 70% of the topics are there in the CSIR. So that is. So while preparing for the CSIR exam, I completely focused on the CSIR only. I didn't prepare for the GATE exam.
Okay.
So after the CSIR exam, I came to know that like 60 to 70% of the syllabus of the GATE is already covered in the CSIR exam itself. Yes. So I need to focus on the other areas like bioprocess technology and plant and animal biotechnology, applications of biotechnology, etc.
Yes.
And so my strategy is to complete the whole topic, like the whole units of engineering, mathematics, and bioprocess technology. But as I said earlier, I didn't get the time to complete the mathematics portion. Okay. So I studied the bioprocess technology and also revised the other topics that is common in both GATE and CSIR. So I just did the revision, and also the test series of the IFAS had really helped me. Okay. Because it not only helped in revising the topics, but also there are topics which are unfamiliar for me. So while attending the test series of the IFS, it not only helped me in revising the topics that I studied earlier, but also there are many unfamiliar topics for me. So I just note down that questions or topics, and I read a lot and studied it, and this really helped me. Okay. So that such questions are asked in the exam.
So did you skip any of the unit or any topics which you were not confident much?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I skipped the engineering mathematics.
Okay, you skipped the engineering mathematics, right? Correct. So, what was your background in high school? Like, were you from the biology background only?
Yes, sir. I'm a PCB, that is physics, chemistry, biology.
Biology, right?
In the
Okay, biology. Because like there are several students who had like bio and math too, and they had a different approach with the engineering mathematics because they
I also had mathematics too.
Okay,
physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics.
Okay, so you had also mathematics along with biology. That's
yes,
good.
Sir,
that's
yes,
good. That's good. That's really good. So that's really nice. It also helps the students who had a math background, because the students like me who had nothing related to the mathematics after the 10th class really have to struggle in the engineering mathematics part or all the portions which covering the engineering part of the mathematics. So like Devika, you have qualified the examination. What are your goals now? Like what are your approach right now? Are you still preparing for the CSIR, or you are just looking for the PhD and PhD entrances? Basically, you are going to join the PhD.
Yes, but currently I am looking to join a lab as
Okay.
a research or project associate
Hmm.
for a few months,
Okay.
and after that, only I will do a PhD.
Okay, that's very nice. So, what are your goals basically, Devika? Do you want to become a scientist, assistant professor, going to the research line, or you have other plans too?
Yes, sir, I want to do a PhD and I want to go to the research line.
Okay, research line. That's really guys. That's really good. So, anyone inspires you? Like, there is someone whom you look up to, or you get motivated from that person, a guy, anyone, like who, like from those you inspire yourself that you want to become like them only.
Okay, sir.
Is there any person who inspires you most? Is there any your inspirational model, role model, if we say?
Mm. The HOD of my
Huh.
college.
Oh, that's very
She
good.
really inspires me.
Oh, really good. That's nice. So, Devika, once again, congratulations for your success. Congratulations for your this qualification, and thank you so much for giving us time. Thank you so much for inspiring more students. Definitely, our viewers will definitely inspire you from your secret tips, from your preparation strategy, and definitely want to qualify GATE examination and join the same line, join the same research parts, just like you're doing. So, thank you so much again, Devika, and congratulations again for your quality time. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.